You hear that? The sound of nothing.
Gonna do the challenge?
What? Tell me about it.
It's over 4 pounds of food when it's all put together.
4 pounds. Oh my God, look at that. This is a lot of food.
So where are you from?
I'm from New York. It's not a little road trip.
From New York? That is not a little road trip.
I found out about the loneliest highway in America. Well, so what makes it the loneliest?
Well, back in those days, yes, it was very long. To live in a place like this, there really has to be something special about you or different about you.
We have a wonderful soundscape, so just bird song, wind, and at night, it's oftentimes this chorus of frogs, coyotes, owls.
So I'm actually a sound recordist. I work on a lot of documentaries. So I like to record different soundscapes from different parts of the world.
I've been to some places where most people will never get to go. I've been to Antarctica, I've been to North Korea, I've been to Djibouti 3 times.
Right now, I'll take you on a spin, get you used to the rig. We'll switch, and then I'll let you drive.
All right, okay, I'm in. Oh my God! Whoa!
And when you go down, you got the whoops at the bottom.
I'm sorry, the what?
They call them the whoop-de-doos, the whoops.
Okay.
The whoops.
Man.
Mind if I join you guys?
Yeah, hop in.
I worked with a Tibetan monk once, and he asked me why I was recording the sound of nothing. I told him, because each silence is different. Really like that one. This is pretty epic. I mean, come on. Are you kidding me?